and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Becky Clements of Metro Bank, and we're in Next Gen Banking London 2017. Thank you very much for joining me.
Pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
You took part today in a session on the PSR agenda, including the consolidation of retail payment schemes. How much progress do you think has been made so far?
So on Thursday last week we published the strategy and the recommendations. These have been agreed by the Bank of England and the PSR, and they are out there for the new payment system operator to take and own when they come into effect by the end of the year. During this period of time between now and then, there's still a lot of work that we have to do as a delivery group to get into a very good stage that we can hand over a detailed plan to the MPSO. We're still giving the CEO and the independent chair the opportunity to mould and shape it, but we're having a very good structure and foundation there, especially focusing on end users and making sure that the payment ecosystem of today is what the end users need and want. And sometimes it's quite difficult with end users. They don't know what they need until it's given to them. A great example of that is actually faster payments. The take-up for faster payments was very slow in the beginning, and now everybody uses them. You know, on the mobile phone, on your laptop. No one expects a payment now today to take 3 days. You expect it instantly moved wherever you're sending it. There is still a lot to do, but it is very exciting and very interesting. And you know, I'm really looking forward to there being a new payment system operator. It gives the UK an opportunity to become a world leader again, and really take a lead with standards, design and delivery, and all those good things which makes the UK economy grow.
You've said this is the most exciting time to be working in payments. What do you think the changes being introduced by the PSR will mean for financial institutions, both long established and new?
I think the two things that I've really seen come to the forefront that the payment system regulator has helped the industry move to is a level playing field for all players, whether they be big or small, and it's aided competition. I mean, simplifying access to markets, which was one of the working groups in the beginning of year one of the payment system regulator, really has shown this year, you know, some real benefits. I think there's been 5 new members to faster payments, and before that there wasn't any since it started, so even that is a great achievement. And it is exciting. I've worked in payments since I left school, and I've never known the industry move at such a fast pace. I do know people still say it's too slow, but it's banking. We need to make sure that it's secure, resilient, and we do have a lot of regulators looking at us, from the Bank of England to the PSR, the FCA, and I think we're quite lucky in the UK because the payment system regulator is unique. Nowhere in the world is there another regulator that is just focusing on payment systems. I think that will give us a competitive advantage globally to make sure that we really are, the UK remains and you know, becomes even more of a world leader for payments.
Becky, thank you very much.
No, pleasure. Thank you very much for having me.
And thank you for watching.